How's it going? My name is Nelson Morillon. I'm an educational sales associate here at Clean Air Industries. And today we're going to talk a little bit about our weld station unit here. So what you see here is our weld station. We can do this in a single format or a dual format. 5 horsepower, 4,000 CFM. It has a motor blower compartment here. Has 4 cartridge filters right here. They're 80/20 cellulose-polyester blend. So you have a 5-foot workspace here. You have an integrated weld curtain bar for a weld station attachment. We also have different accessories that we can add to this. Like you have your shelf here for a welder. You also have your tool drawer here. And then you have your fixed tables here where you can slide in and out. Then you also have these little inserts here where you can hook different accessories to if working. Has your electrical panel that's mounted right here on the right side of the main unit. Has a built-in VFD. It comes shipped from the factory right at 30 Hertz, but we have a user's manual that your maintenance technicians can use if you need to speed up the CFM or the Hertz for whatever reason. You can adjust that in here accordingly. It has a integrated self-cleaning system. So there's a pressure transmitter built in here as well. And once it senses that it's right at 7 inches, the valves inside the unit start pulsing on their own and cleaning some of that excess, extending that filter life, shaking that dust off of that filter. Like I said, there's 4 cartridge filters up here in your main filter compartment. Right here at the face of the unit, you're gonna have these are 24 by 24 by 2 metal mesh baffles. And right behind the baffle, you have a different set of 24 by 24 by 2 metal mesh filters. So basically what it is if there's any sparks, they come through this here. It's gonna start at the baffle before it makes its way back to the metal mesh filter and keep from any embers getting into the main filter compartment, which is your cartridge filter up here. Alongside of it, you can attach a 5-foot booth, how we have here. It comes in with built-in LED lights as well. You have your emergency stop button up here just in case anything happens. Your disconnect and your emergency stop. The booth, the configurations, the main unit either has to be 5 foot or 6 foot, so we can do these in different configurations. The booth can be all the way down a 3-foot booth, all the way up to a 6-foot booth. This is a standalone unit, so it's self-contained. There's no duct or any different source of dust collector needed. It's all completely self-contained, and it's all built here in our Rome facility, Georgia, here in the USA. Any inquiries, any questions, feel free to reach out. Our direct number is 706-291-1700, or you can follow us or shoot us an email. Check out our website at clean-air.com.